Hi, welcome to the Back on Track Achieving Healthy Weight Loss YouTube channel. I'm your host, Dr. Shelly. So I'm so excited because this week, there's been a pivotal study that was released that talked about the heart benefits of Wegovy or semaglutide 2.4 milligrams. Now you may be thinking, so what? Well, a lot of times I've had patients ask me, how safe is Wegovy? Is this okay? I feel like I want to know long-term, effects. Should I be on this for long-term? What, is this safe? That's the question I hear a lot. And so this study has been helpful in showing us how safe it is. And especially for those who have already pre-existing heart disease, like a prior heart attack or prior stroke. And this study really looked at those individuals carefully. So today, we're going to talk about these heart benefits and what the study actually showed. Now, first off, here's what we know. Obesity can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases like high blood pressure, high cholesterol. And we know that by just decreasing your weight by 5 to 10%, it can improve these conditions. I've seen it in my patients a lot. And so also there have been studies that noted that if you decrease your weight, it can also improve your heart failure, your chronic atrial fibrillation. So having less weight on us can actually help not only our heart disease, but then also can ultimately improve mortality, right? Because we'll live a little bit longer. But what we didn't know at the time was just how Wegovy affects the cardiovascular risk in individuals who had heart disease, a prior heart attack, a prior stroke. And so this study looked at over 1,700 people or 17,000 people. And they looked at people who had pre-existing cardiovascular conditions, such as a prior heart attack, stroke, and symptomatic peripheral arterial disease. Meaning like you may have pain when you walk due to a blockage in your arteries, your femoral arteries in the leg. And so the outcome that they were looking at is either death from cardiovascular causes or people who've had an additional heart attack or stroke. And so what they excluded from the studies, they did not look at people who had heart failure, they did not look at people with kidney failure or had dialysis, and they did not look at people with diabetes. You may not realize this, but diabetes puts your cardiovascular risk at 2 to 4 times higher than somebody who's not a diabetic. So they were really looking at people who've had a heart attack, maybe have a family history, who basically have heart disease and how Wegovy can help. And when we look at the characteristics of the people that were studied, and they did this over 3 years, by the way. I don't think I mentioned it. They did this over 3 years. So you looked at the long-term side of it. And when they looked at the characteristics of the people studied, they noted that a majority of them were male, around 72%. And there was a little bit less variety, with only 3% being Black. So a lot of times when we have these studies, you wanted to have more diversity of a patient population that you're studying, just so you could see how does it work for women, how does it work for or people who are African American or Asian American. You want to see how that works for people. But unfortunately, with this study, it was only 3%, and the average age was 61%. So there are people who were a lot older, people who were a lot younger, but you had to be older than 45 to be in this particular study. So, which is good because sometimes we don't know as much about weight loss in our seniors and people who are over the age of 65. So it's nice to have a study that kind of looks at that to make sure it's still safe for people to be losing weight as they age. And they did, although they're looking at the outcomes, cardiovascular outcomes, they did notice that people still lost weight. They lost around 9.39%. Now this is less than what has been seen in the past studies. The past studies they were looking at, they did a combination of lifestyle change plus the medication. And when they combined that together, people were able to lose around 15%. But without having that formal intervention of lifestyle change, nutritionists, exercise physiologists, they lost around 9.39%, which is still pretty good. And just so you know, for a medication to be considered helpful, the average person needs to be losing weight over 5%. Now, let's get to the outcome. What does this mean? What did they find? Well, what they found was that Wegovy reduced the risk from death from cardiovascular causes, non-fatal meaning having a repeat heart attack or a repeat stroke by 20%. 20%. That is excellent. We found these numbers similar to somebody who's had a cholesterol medication or statin, where that can reduce their risk by 20%. And why is this important? You ask me, you're thinking, why am I spending time talking about this? Well, because as a primary care, because I do both primary care and obesity medicine, my goal in life is to reduce your risk of having a heart attack and a stroke. And we do this by every year you have your physical, we're screening you for your cholesterol, we're checking, making sure you're diabetic, we're making sure your blood pressure's okay, because we know that these three characteristics of having diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol that are uncontrolled can put you at risk for a heart attack and stroke. So our goal is to do our best to prevent this as much as possible. But if you had a heart attack and a stroke, our goal now is to prevent you from having another heart attack and a stroke. Because what happens is that it just keeps getting worse for those who keep having repeat heart attacks, repeat strokes. Because the heart definitely gets damaged and the brain does too, and it can cause problems down the line and possibly death. So our goal in life is to reduce these complications. And with this study, it just shows that Wegovy can be a really good tool to help with. So if I have a patient that comes to me and they want to lose weight, they are in the overweight or obesity category, this can help us to be able to reduce where they are and reduce the risk of getting another heart attack. And so that's why this is such a profound paper. I suspect that as they're probably going to do more studies to kind of confirm this finding, but once it becomes, once this is confirmed, I think that we'll be seeing some changes in the guidelines for heart disease coming out of the American Heart Association and the cardiologists as well. So needless to say, I'm super excited because now I can tell my colleagues, my physician colleagues, my patients that Wegovy is safe. And this has been shown to reduce your risk by 20%. 20%. So I hope this is helpful. Feel free to put questions in the chat or the comment section, and I will either make a video for you or respond. All right. I hope this helps you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And don't forget, if this is something you're interested in, talk to your doctor. Make sure that they have them look through your medical history to make sure this may be an option for you. And this is just for educational purposes, but definitely it's important that you sit down with your own doctor and you guys discuss what your risk factors are and whether this is an option. All righty. See you next time.